Ayan guys, good morning Boracay, good morning world. Another day, another jogging. Whew, good for the heart. Whew, todo na to guys. Hi guys, I bring my troops with me for jogging 6 o'clock in the morning. Say hi!
Hey!
Ayan guys, marami na kami magja-jogging. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, di ba? Marami na kami guys nagja-jogging. Ayan guys, so ayan yun, wow, is a government property now. Ayan yung binigay sa mga sa mga Ati tribe. Wow, I'm surprised. Wow. Ayan pala siya, oh, along the way there guys. Yan yun, along the way. Ayan, is a government property yung binigay sa mga Aita. Ayan guys, we are here at Cagban, yung sa may close to the GT port. As you can see here guys, all this land, did you see that? All that property there, that's the one they give to to Ate, yung Ate tribe here in Boracay, the first people here in Boracay. So that's the one. Wow. Oh, I feel sorry for the owner of that property, you know. Wow, it belongs to the government now, guys. Wow, yan pala yung binigay guys sa mga ate, oh. Alam niyo guys, maganda yung view diyan eh, yung view. Yan area na yan, oh. Wow. Ayan guys, oh. Notice. No trespassing government property. Oh, ayan yung guys, yung binigay pala sa Aita. Wow. Ayan guys, pati pala ito, oh. This is for sa mga ate ba, ayan, oh, wow, no trespassing property of Boracay Ate Tribal, oh. Ayan guys, ang haba nito guys, papunta doon, oh. Ayan, oh, pati doon sa niya, kabilang kalsada. Ayan yung mga binigay sa mga Ate Tribe. Wow. Ayan, oh. No trespassing property of Boracay Ate Tribal Organization. Hello. Wow. Kailan yan, no trespassing mo na.
Don't bite me, okay?
Yamashita Treasure. Kuya, nakuha mo na yung Yamashita? Wala pa yung Yamashita? Ano yung ilalagay nyo? Anong ilalagay nyo? Pinapain, no? Ilaliman?